morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. So today I'll be talking about yet another interesting chart feature of advanced Excel called pie chart. So first of all, we should discuss what is a pie chart. So pie chart is used to provide information about single data set. It displays the ratio of pieces of data in a selected data set. So let's discuss this pie chart concept using a practical example. So I'm going to share my screen to everyone. So here I have a data. This is my data. So now I wanted to create a pie chart based on 6-month data. So what I'll do is I'll select the 6-month data from here. And obviously I'm going to select the single data set. That means I'm going to get the data of 2010 from January till June. So I have highlighted only this much of data. And then we are going for insert option in order to create a pie chart. And within insert, we are having this within a chart, we are having a pie chart. You can create a 2-dimensional pie chart or you can create a 3-dimensional pie chart. Let us go for 3-dimensional pie chart. I'll select this. Since this chart is available on the same worksheet, I wanted to take this particular chart to separate worksheet. So what I'll do is I'll select the chart. I'll click on design from the chart tool contextual menu. And then here is an option called move chart. So I'm going to move this particular chart to a new sheet called chart 4. The moment I click on this OK button, I'm getting this particular chart there. So now I am going to format this particular chart. So in order to format this particular chart, what you can do is you can do the right click. After doing the right click, it will ask you to format the way you want it. Here, if you wanted to format the data series, you can click here. If you wanted to select the data, you can click here. If you wanted to change the data series type, you can click here. So what I can do is either you can format from here or you can go for this plus symbol where it is going to allow you to do lots of different kind of formatting. Or what you can do is you can go to the design, and within a design you have the add chart element, and within a chart element we are having a legend. So here we are having a legend at the bottom. You can notice out here January, February, March, April, May, and June. All data are here, and the color is also mentioned. If you wanted to get which color denotes what month, so this is the January month. This is for the red one is for February month. This is for the March month, April, May, and June. So what we can do is we'll try to format this particular chart. So I'll select this particular chart and we can do the right click. And here we are having a 3D rotation. So if you wanted to go for 3D rotation, so what I can do is you can click on 3D rotation. Automatically you can find the rotation. So you wanted to rotate the chart along with y-axis. So go for the x-axis, y-axis. So first of all, I'm trying to rotate from having x rotation. So if I just the moment I click, see my chart is getting rotated. So let's say I wanted to highlight about this particular portion, right? This is the data of February. So whenever you are going to give a presentation in front of the management, you can rotate your chart, you can make the area in front of you, and then you can discuss about that. If you wanted to talk about this area, if you wanted to talk about this area, and this is the area for the month of June, so again, we can rotate it. So I'll make it in front and we can discuss about this particular chart. If you wanted to have the Y rotation, so you can change the Y rotation. You can notice out here. Using the Y axis, we are going to rotate the chart. So as per your need, as per your requirement, you can rotate using Y axis, right? And if you wanted to take out this slice from this particular chart, so you can do the double click and you can hold down left button key and you can drag it out. So we are going to extract it out and then we can highlight about this particular chart. So what we are going to do is, again, I'm going to do some sort of another kind of formatting. So here as a formatting, I'll go for plus symbol. I'll go for data label. Now I wanted to label all the data. So the moment you click on the data label, you can notice out here all data, all slides of the charts are labeled with the exact value, right? And if you wanted to show it in a larger view, you can click, you can zoom it out and you can see the data which are available. Now, if you want to do some more formatting on this particular chart, so what we can do is we can go to the design. Within a design, we are having add chart element. You can click here. You can change the chart title. Obviously, chart title is there at the top. So normally we are keeping the chart title above the chart. You can make it center overlay within the chart. We are having a data label, which already we have seen. Then we can have the legend. Legend is there in the bottom. You can change that direction. Whether if you wanted to keep in the right, you can keep it in right. If you want to keep it in top, so you can keep it in top. If you want to keep it in bottom, you can keep it in bottom. Right. So normally we are keeping legend in the bottom of the chart. Now again, if you wanted to select the data, you can go for data selection. Let's say, as I discussed, we have plotted a chart based on 6 months, but I don't want to highlight a January month data and February month data. So you can unselect it from there. And if you click on OK, automatically you are getting only the data for the data which are available on the chart for the 4 months only. So in this way, you can do the changes. We have overall other kind of designs. So let's say if you wanted to have a chart like this, you can select like this. If you want a chart like this, you can go for this. Here you are getting the data label as well as with the percentage. If you add all these 4%, it comes to 100%. If you wanted to show all 6 month data, again, we can go to the data label, clear, and here from this, we can do the right click and we can go for the select data. And again, I can select back Jan as well as Fab. If I click on OK, the percentage ratio is getting distributed among all. If you want to combine all together, you can press it like this and all data are getting joined over there. So this is all about the pie chart. So this is all for the day. Again, I'll be meeting you tomorrow with a new topic in advanced Excel. Maybe we are going to talk about the micro level analysis of advanced Excel using the pivot table as well as pivot chart. So thanks for watching this video.